1.1.4, we have something that looks like this, and we're still solving for x. So this is the same as having one big square root, and underneath we will have the square root of 32 plus x, close bracket, open bracket, square root of 32 minus x equal to x. So in order to get rid of this square root, we have to square this, and when we square that, we also have to square this side as well. So we'll then have these brackets, square root of 32 plus x, open another bracket, and square root of 32 minus x equal to x squared, because this square cancels the square root. So now we will have the square root of 32 multiplied by the square root of 32, that is 32, and then the square root of 32 multiplied by negative x, that is minus x root 32, plus x multiplied by 32, that is plus x root 32, x multiplied by minus x, that is minus x squared. Well, here we have x squared as well, and this is equal to x squared. So now let us sort everything. Here we will have 32, x root 32 plus x root 32 is 0. So now we have minus x squared equal to x squared. Now let us take the x squared from this side to the other side. We will add x squared and also add x squared here, such that this will cancel, and then we will have 32 equal to 2x squared. So next we will divide by 2 both sides to get rid of the 2. This will cancel that, and x squared will be equal to 32 divided by 2, that is 16. So to get x, we have to find the square root of x squared, and we will have to find the square root of 16. So the plus or minus root of 16, and then x will be equal to plus or minus 4. So because here we're working with square roots, we usually have a problem when we substitute with a negative. Let us just test if negative 4 will work when we substitute into the expression. Alright, let us punch this in our calculators. We have a bracket, square root of the square root of 32 plus x. So we substitute with a negative 4. And we close bracket, open another bracket, and the square root of 32 minus x, which is the negative 4, and we close the bracket. So we're told that it is equal to x in the question, so which means when we substitute with a negative 4 for x, we're also supposed to get a negative 4 because it is equal to x. So let us see what we get. We get a positive 4. So that means a negative 4 does not work with this expression. So x cannot be equal to negative 4. But then let us substitute with a 4 and see if we will get the same answer. So we will bracket square root of 32. We have the square root of 32 plus x. So we will substitute with a 4. Close bracket, open another, the square root of 32 minus x. So we substitute with another 4 and we close this bracket. So this is equal to x. Because we substituted with a 4, a positive 4, we are supposed to get an answer of positive 4. So let us see what we get. We're getting a 4. So that means x is only equal to a positive 4. So x is equal to a positive 4. So this is our final answer.